Hi friends, this is Bakappa. Welcome to Playwright with TypeScript Full Course. In this chapter 6, majorly I have covered about Playwright API automation testing and API mocking. In the API automation testing, I have covered how to set up the API testing environment, how to create, get API request, post API request, put API request, patch API request, and delete API request. And I have covered many other topics in the API automation testing. In the API mocking, I have covered how to mock the API requests, API response, and also I have covered how to mock the API requests from the HAR file. So with this, let's get started with the chapter 6.